So, this meditation is to help support you during a difficult time in your life. So I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and another deep breath in and a deep breath out. I want you to relax and close your eyes and just breathe softly and relax where you are. And I want you to imagine all the most wonderful universal energy coming up from above, coming down through you, coming all the way down below to the center of the earth, and back up again to you. And just keep taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And more gentle breaths in that fashion. Just a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And now you're going to take this difficult situation that you are dealing with, whether it's work-related, health-related, whether it has to do with money or relationships of any kind, any difficult thing you're dealing with, I want you to just imagine that it is in front of you in a ball of light. So imagine this difficult time, this difficult thing you're dealing with, whatever it is, no matter how big or small it seems. I want you to imagine it in a ball of light. And it doesn't matter how you perceive it. It could be dark, it could be light, whatever it feels like to you. Just imagine it's right there in front of you. And what we're going to do is bring in full support from all beings across all space-time dimensions and all realities now to support you during this time. And we're going to call upon all of this sacred knowledge and wisdom so that everything becomes more and more clear to you. And I want you to allow yourself 100% full permission to release all resistance to well-being during this difficult time. And anywhere and everywhere where things feel heavy, where things don't feel like they're going your way, that they're making you feel low for any reason, I want you to call upon all the guidance, all the ease, all the love, and all the power and knowledge in this world to just come to you. And I want you to see all of this coming into this energy of the difficult thing or difficult relationship or difficult time you're having with anything. I want you to just imagine it being enveloped and completely feeling cleared and reset by this energy. I want you to imagine that now before you is this incredible, clear ball of light. It could be any color, but just to know that all the problems, all the difficulties have been resolved, and that energetically it is done. And now I want you to add in all of the blessings you want. So maybe you want more strength, maybe you want more ease, maybe you want more flexibility in time, maybe you want more understanding to the situation, maybe you want more abundance flowing, maybe you need more money, maybe you need more health. Whatever it is, call it in. Perhaps more community, more knowledge, more growth, more freedom, more joy. Call upon all the energies, all the things you want to change this time period to whatever you are dealing with. And now take a moment and call upon how you want to see it change to the highest good for all involved, for whatever it is, for it to become the best outcome you could ever imagine, from a place of love and light, for it to be completely nourishing to your soul and to your well-being, and for everything involved to expand your being. And I'm going to call upon everything to support you, to bring you love during this time and ease. And whatever happens, for you to be so excited and so grateful at the end that you feel grateful for this time, and that you know everything that happens is for your own well-being. And we are going to call upon all the love and all the kindness across all space, time, and all dimensions to flow in and make everything go so smoothly for you and all involved. And may this time pass in a gentle, easy way, so that you may enjoy the journey in every step you are taking. We call upon the energy of miracles to show themselves so that you find the light through this whole process. And may every step you take gently lead you to your destination of choice, of desire, of love that is aligned with your soul's calling and your inner being. And now, after you've put in all the energy and all the asks that you have for this situation, we're going to bless and honor where we are and where we're going. And just bless all the wisdom and knowledge you have gained and release it now for the universe to take care of this for you. With so much love and kindness and gratitude, thank you for taking care of this for me and showing me the actions I need to take, the steps I need to take, and the time when I need to take them. Thank you for the wisdom and the knowledge and the grace that you are showing me this. And now I want you to release all this energy and relax. And now take a deep breath in and deep breath out, and another breath